Welcome to the video of the 1/12 scale Wildflower Series, Episode 11, Indian Paintbrushes using paper, acrylic paint, floral wire, and kite string. Materials are listed below. 3 craft paper punches are used, but you can always cut your own flowers. Paint both sides of the copy paper. Let dry. Gently rub with a paper towel. For the red color, I use 3 parts bright red, 1 part strawberry pink, 1 part papaya orange, and 3 drops of neon pink. For the green, I use 1 part Seminole green and 1 part kiwi green. For a stem, cut approximately 1 1/4 inch, clamp, paint brown, let dry. For the flowers, cut approximately 3 inches of kite string, stiffen it with glue, cut into 1/16 inch bits when dry. You can paint bits of green after assembly. For the circle cardstock base, glue the top, press into the dried used T-bits, let dry. I do 1/2 at a time. To assemble one plant, punch 3 red flower petals, 7 to 12 green leaves, 5 white string bits, and 1 T-bit base. For the top of the paintbrush, cut 1 red flower in half. Separate 1/2 of the half into 4 pieces. See video. Leave one as is. Cut third one by removing every other petal into a cross plus type shape. Press pinholes to the center of the 2 red pieces. With stylus, gently curl all red bits and pieces. With the stem piece, glue one end to the center bottom of half piece. Let dry. Then roll around the top. Fluff it out a bit. Next, slide up the full red flower petal shape to the middle. Glue underneath. To add the flower, glue the 5 white kite string bits around the top of the red flower petal shapes. Then add 4 single red petal pieces above those white bits. Next, slide and glue the final red cross piece under the middle section. For the green leaf shapes, paint the top tips red after assembly. Gently press and curl green pieces with the stylus. Glue the green pieces alternatively around the stem. When dry, glue to base. Use bottles to help hold the stem while drying. You could make several stems for a garden display, or add bluebonnets, or add some buddies, or place with other wildflowers in a nature setting. I hope you like and share this video, making miniature Indian paintbrush wildflowers. Thank you so much for watching.